Welcome to Contouring 101. I'm Lisa D. Liguori with Simple Beauty Minerals, clean, effective, natural beauty, a smaller, more personal beauty brand. And today I'm going to contour with just two tools. It's all you need, a contour powder and a contour brush. And I'm going to take my contour off that I have on now and my blush and my highlight, and I'm going to show you how simple it is and how you can do it in just a few easy steps with using two tools, and that's what we're going to do. So first, I want you to know that what I'll have on for this tutorial is my primer and my foundation and a little bit of concealer under my eyes. And of course, my eyes are done. A little lipstick, but I don't have anything else on. Other than that, I don't have anything else on. So let's do it. Contouring is going to give you a sculpted and lifted look. It will add dimension and depth, and it creates and accentuates your bone structure. Here, I have over contoured for visibility over the video. After you apply your contour to the base of your hairline, you're then going to blend it and soften it into your hairline. Again, here I've over contoured. I wanted to make sure that you could see it on the video. Applying contour on your jawline is for definition. You want to blend it downwards and blend very well on the edge. Place your contour in the hollow of your cheekbones, and when you blend it out, blend upwards for the most part. Blending upward is going to give you lift. We like lift. Contouring will help slim your nose. Place it on the outer edges, going up towards the inner eye, and on the tip. Blend really well. Wasn't that easy? So I've added cheek color and highlight. I added the Bright Eyes Pink color corrector and brightener on my cheekbones, above my brows, down the bridge of my nose, right here in the chin, and right above my upper lip. And I added cheek color. I used blush lip color as cheek color. And there you have, super simple. You're gonna try it, right?